So I've just received my Creo podcasting mic, which is called the Kreo Kast, and it says on the packing as podcasting royalty, and on the side it says don't speak command. Interesting. So I'm actually holding my phone in one hand and recording the unboxing, or yes, I'm unboxing it. I'm taking off I'm being careful and not being very too harsh upon. I never do unboxings in a very haphazard way. So finally, cast in its entire glory. Hopefully, I'll be using it soon, and I'll be using it in my first live stream on YouTube on my podcast channel, which is Task Letters Podcasts, where I would be talking about what YouTube announced for creators or YouTubers in 2023. So I'll be using this mic. I'll see how this sounds, and I'll let you know. Should I go ahead and I'm going to be unboxing. So here it is. The Kreo Kast is easy to open. The packaging is easy. Oh, there's a QR code then assured for an assured mystery gift here. Interesting. Oh, it's a what? Okay, unbiased review, and I'll get a mystery gift from Creo. So this here, the packaging is good. I like it. There's this manual here. Okay, it says Cast Podcasting Royalty, and this here is the mic itself. Oh, I'm doing this one hand. I must say here the packaging is excellent. The experience of picking up this. See, I'm not able to pick up. I mean, I'll keep repeating this, but I have to say this. The experience of opening this box has been excellent. I mean, the feel of the packaging and the way you packaged it, and the product itself. See, I am doing it with my one hand because I'm holding my camera. I do have a gimbal, but I don't know. Look, I mean, how do I say this? This is raw, unfiltered unboxing of it, and I must say the feel, I mean, it looks very light for it to be a full body metal mic. It is very light to hold. I mean, obviously, if you add the sturdy desk stand, which it will be made to stand on, will be quite a little bit heavy, not heavier than not. I hope it isn't heavy. It isn't heavier, and this opening of this very Kreo Kast box is itself excellent. I like it very much, and I like the product very much. So as you can see, you have the USB connectivity and the XLR connectivity. You also have place for connecting your headphones, and there's the volume button. You got a mute button here, and I like how it's been branded. I like the branding too. So I'll keep this mic aside. Mine is a bit clumsy setup here. I don't know. And this also comes up with a pouch. I believe it comes with all the cables here. And remove this, and tucked away very nicely, you have the stand here. Why am I struggling here? Because I'm holding it in one hand. So this is how you mount it. I love the, what is it in here? This is really sturdy. I love it. You know what? I seriously was thinking as to where the stand was, and I completely forgot that you could very easily fit in the stand. Great initial thoughts on this. I'll I'll have a complete uh, live test of it soon, hopefully, and I'll let you know, and you'll also know as to how it sounds. So the packaging, very good, excellent. The way it's been designed, and the whole the the how do I say this? So the form factor or the thing is very compact, and I also like the. I mean, it's very sturdy, and at the same time light in weight, and I'm liking it. These are the initial first impressions of the Kreo Kast, which they rightly call it as podcasting royalty. All the best, Creo. Thanks for. I hope I gain a lot of subscribers, and I grow my channel, and hopefully Creo is part of that growing journey, creative journey of my channel. Okay, that's it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, Stars Letters Podcast, subscribe now.